Are you curious about what goes on behind the scenes in our kitchen? From the initial customer brief to the final presentation, there's a lot of hard work that goes into bringing our projects to life. It takes a team of dedicated professionals with expert skills to make it happen. Here's a sneak peek at the process. Customer brief to sketch. We work closely with the customer to gather information about their goals and vision for the project, and turn those ideas into a visual concept or sketch. Scriptwriting. We flesh out the details of the project and create a plan for how it will come to life. This includes creating a script for any narration or dialogue that will be included in the final product. Animation creation. Our team of experts gets to work bringing the project to life through animation. This involves everything from creating the individual elements of the animation to piecing them together into a cohesive whole. Installation and logistics. Once the animation is complete, we work with the customer to handle installation and logistics. This could involve anything from setting up the 3D holographic system in a physical space to creating a plan for how it will be installed. Final presentation. The finished product is presented to the customer, and in the case of this project, it was a futuristic 3D holographic system that brought the animation to life in a whole new way. We took great pride in creating a professional and memorable experience for the audience. Stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes looks at our work. We take pride in leaving a lasting professional impression with each and every project we undertake. Stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes looks at our work.